everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a pencil that has 3D form using just a regular pencil and a ruler. So if you don't have a ruler, you can use the edge of a paper, right? It works just as good. You can just trace along the edge, and if you don't have anything that you can trace, you can just kind of try and freehand it. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do when we're drawing our pencil is we're going to make two parallel lines. So we don't want them to go all the way to the edge, right? You want to kind of keep it in the center. So I'm going to make one line, right? And then I'm going to use my ruler to draw a second parallel line, right? Two lines that run on the same axis, right? So then I have my pencil here. Now I'm going to draw a vertical line that closes off one end, right? This is going to be the end of the pencil, and I'm going to add a couple of extra lines here. That's going to be the end of my pencil, and you can add an eraser however you want. I'm going to kind of make a rounded edge here on my end. So now I have the back end of my pencil, right? And this end, if you look at a regular pencil, right, you'll see it's not perfectly sort of straight, right? It has those little sharpening lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of add a couple of zigzaggy, uneven lines, right? And then I want to make a point at the end. So if you want to make it sort of a little more perfect, you kind of make a little point right at the end where you're going to aim for, right? And then I'm going to go from this edge, and you can use your ruler to do this, or you can just do the best you can with your pencil, right? And again, if I'm drawing the end of the tip of that pencil, the nice thing about this drawing is I can really look at what I'm drawing, right? It's right in front of me, right? And again, it doesn't need to be perfect, right? So maybe I'm going to shade the end of that pencil in. Now, if you want to add some details, you're going to add a couple extra lines in the center here, right? Not too many, maybe 2 or 3. 1, and you're going to just do that center section. Don't go to the very edges, right? Keep it in the center. Right? Now I have my pencil, okay? And if I want to add value to this pencil, right, light to dark, I'm going to start by adding color down here. Now, if I'm keeping my entire drawing black and white, just using a pencil, right, this section is going to be my darkest value. That's where the shadow is. So I can fill in that whole section. And then this one's going to be a little bit lighter, almost not even there. And then the top one I'm going to leave white. Right? Now I have sort of from dark to light. Again, I can do the same thing here with the end of the pencil, a little darker on the bottom, a little darker on the bottom, a little darker on the bottom. And each of these, right, same thing, a little darker on the bottom, right? There you have your pencil with added value.